All right, so we're going to talk about question number 24 from the sprint round. So here's what the problem says. Matthew writes down all of the positive integers less than 100 that are not multiples of 5. He then calculates the product of all the numbers that he wrote. What is the units digit of Matthew's product? So here I've written just like part of a list of all of the numbers from 1 to 100 that are not multiples of 5. So the way that I've written this, I want you guys to notice a pattern that will eventually help us solve this. So if I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, I can just, at least try a few numbers. I can try, to multiply maybe like 1 times 2, see what I get. 2 times 3 is 6. The first 4 numbers are 24. And you can try going as far as you can. If you had the time, you would eventually be able to calculate that this product of 9 numbers is 72576. But there's an easier way to do this. So the trick with this problem is that if you have a product of some large numbers, like let's say, for example, you have 127 times some other really big number. It's not that big, but it's still kind of annoying to do this. So if I wanted to take the product of this, then you would do like the standard long multiplication strategy, and you would eventually get to an answer. But let's suppose that I didn't want the whole answer. I only wanted the last digit of this product. In that case, I don't have to do the whole long multiplication, because notice that after this step, none of the numbers that I fill out will affect the last digit. The last digit I already know is going to be 5. And I knew that simply by multiplying the last digits of the numbers I was multiplying together. So the same concept can be applied with this question. Since I know that, for example, 6 times 4 is 24, if I want to then take this and multiply it by the next number, 6, I don't need to do 24 times 6. I only need to look at the last digit, which is 4, and this digit, which is 6, and that will also be 24. And again, I just have to keep looking at the last digits of the numbers that I'm multiplying together. So at the end of the day, we will come to the conclusion that these 8 numbers multiplied together will have a last digit of 6. So what if we try doing this with the next row after this? Well, you'll notice that these are the same last digits as the previous row. So if you take the last digit of this product, it should also be the same answer, 6. The same thing applies with this row as well. And you can probably see a pattern now. All of these rows of numbers multiplied together will have 6 as their last digit in the product. And of course, I need to multiply all of these numbers together. So I need to take these numbers and I need to multiply them together as well. So if I take 6 times 6, that gives me 36. The last digit is 6. So if I take this 6 and I multiply by 6 again, I still get 6 as the last digit. So no matter how many times you multiply 6 by itself, you will always get an answer where the last digit is 6. So because of that, I now know that this entire product has a last digit of 6. And that's our final answer.
Hey, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.